The frontal of this pixie coil wig is damaged, like almost all the hair is plucked out, so we need to repair it before revamping it. Welcome to Pixie Chai Hair. So in this video I'm going to be repairing this pixie coil wigs and also revamping it to get our coils back. So the first step, look at this brush very well. We're going to use it to brush out the coils and tangleness from this wig, because before washing the hair or doing anything, you need the wig not to be tangled. Look at the brush very well. I'm not using the normal brush you used to brush your extension. You get using this brush, so look at it very well, screenshot it. So we're going to just be, doing the wig like this, removing it line by line so we can brush out the tangleness from the wig. After finish brushing everything out like this, you can see it's a few hair that are removed from the wig because of the type of brush we used. So after brushing it out, we're going to cut a little bit of a strand of hair from the wig so that we can repair this frontal. Yes, so we are going to just ventilate it like this. People that are ventilators understand what I'm trying to do. So after repairing this part, because we need the parts to be clear, we're going to start ventilating inside, just rough ventilating so that everywhere will look full back. So that's what we're going to do. So after finish repairing the frontal, you can see that the frontal is repaired already. You can see that the mid part line is showing. All these parts, I've repaired it. It's not looking bored again. So we're going to start revamping, which is washing first. So this is our shampoo. You pour a little bit in your bowl. I pour a little bit in my bowl, then pour hot water. After pouring hot water, pour cold water, to dilute the hotness for it to be warm. You get, so just shake it off like this so that the water will be foamy. Then I placed my wig inside. Yes, my Pixie coils wig inside. Then you wash it like this. I washed it like this. It's only the frontal that I washed very well, but the body of the wig, I'm just using my hand to just rub it off. You don't want to wash it. You don't want to wash it because you don't want it to get tangled and it's a coily wig. You can see that the first water was dirty. Yes, so I changed it. Then I put the wig inside the bowl, pour another shampoo inside, then you pour cold water, hot water, like the water you're going to use is still going to be warm also. You get, so you wash it again. So I'm washing it again. You can see that this one now is more foaming because the depth of the hair is reduced. You get, the dirtiness is reduced, so it's more foamy. So you're going to wash this one very well. Like wash it like this. Don't wash it as if you're washing clothes. Just, just wash it like this. After washing it the second time, you're going to brush it. Also use this brush to brush the hair. You can see that our coils is not coming back. The coils that we brushed off before, because we are using this brush, it's not coming back. So you're going to brush it like this. Then we're going to, change that water and rub our deepening conditioner on the wig and a little bit of serum, that's serum oil, on the hair to get shiny look. So you massage it very well, massage everywhere, massage it. After massaging it, we're going to also brush it again with this same brush. We are not using the brush you used to brush your extension. No, you use this brush. Screenshot it and look for it. Yeah, this is the brush you used to brush coily wigs. So you make sure you brush it very well. After brushing it like this, all the tangleness, make sure that all the tangleness has removed. Then you bring out your nylon and put it inside. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Then you bring it out, put it inside your bowl. You can see now the wig is already shiny. Look at the coils. Hey God, oh, we are not done. No. So you're going to pour warm water on the wig and rinse off the conditioner from the coily wig. Rinse it out. Yes, like this. As you're rinsing it, and make sure that you just wash it out a little bit, then squeeze it out. We're going to rinse it again to remove the conditioner fully from the wig. Yes, you don't want any too much treatment on your wig. You'll be perceiving shampoo and conditioner on your wig. So you rinse it very well. You can see that this water is less foaming. That means everything is removed already and your wig is already looking shining and the coils are coming back. So rinse it very well. You squeeze it out like this, not squeeze that as if you are squeezing cloth, to just tap it out, then you put it on your mannequin head. So this is the next step again. So we want to brush this wig, but for this stage, we tie the ribbon up because we are brushing it line by line. So you bring out your first line, then you clip the remaining one upward. After clipping it upward, you want to bring your wash bottle. Bring your wash bottle, fill it up with water, bring out to Hawaiian silky, pour a little bit, your milk conditioner, that's your leave-in conditioner, you pour a little bit in it, then you shake it, then you start. You spray with your wash bottle line by line on the hair. This is the brush we are going to use for this stage, not that former one. This is another type of brush. This one is going to fully bring out the coils. Fully bring it out. So that's your Hawaiian silky mixture, is to allow the ribbon to be very soft and easy to brush. You get very soft and easy to brush. You can see that our coils is already out, like it's giving. So we're gonna brush this wig line by line. So you do the same to the top like this. So you can see this wig, oh my god, it's fine, revamped, revived from the beginning video. Just like look at the beginning of the video and look at this one, it's different. So after finish this step, we're going to rub our hair mousse on it to give it a more shiny and firm coil. The coils will be firm. So after rubbing the mousse on it, massaging everywhere with it, you're going to leave it to get dried, hair dried. Don't put it in fan or use your blow dryer. Just leave it, let it air dry so that all the coils will be out and firm. So you can see that we are done. This hair is dried already. It is dried. You can see that the coils are coiling. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. You can see this wig now. It is revived. I can sell this wig for a new price. So bye.